Well, welcome to my airplane factory. This is the third aircraft that I have built. This one's about, at least half done. And due to some changes in my life, I would like to sell this project. It's a Vans RV 8A, and just about 99% of the sheet metal work is all done. And I'm interested in getting a good offer on it. If you think you're going to offer me $5,000 or $10,000 or even $15,000, don't bother. The value of the parts as they are now is in the $27,000 to $28,000 range, and I'm not hoping to get that much out of it, but I do entertain fair offers. The entire interior of the aircraft has been painted with Imron paint, and it all matches what the color of Vans' typical powder coat paint is. As you can see, this roll bar is powder coated, and the paint all matches. Inside the tail cone, the work's all done. The front roll bar is windscreen roll bar is in place. The forward skin is not attached yet, and that's a good thing. If you want to do some avionics work, it's easy to get into. The baggage door remains to be riveted. Other than that, just about all sheet metal work is done. Over here we have all the interior parts to the fuselage. They've all been fit up, fabricated. The only thing left to do is lay them in place. Final assembly, attach them with either screws or pull rivets, one or the other. So we'll go in and take a look at the wings. The wings are totally done, with the exception of fitting them up to the fuselage and drilling the rear spar attach bolt, and installing the fiberglass wing tips, which is a job better left until the rigging is complete, with the ailerons lining up with the flaps, and the wing tips can be fit to that as well. But other than that, the wings are way past what you would get in a quick build kit. They're essentially done, with the exception of the items that I just spoke about. One thing, if you're ever thinking about buying an RV kit that's either built or partially built, you can look at the way that the riveting work is done. And when you look down a wing in plane, you should see wing skins that are very flat, and these are. You can't see any dimples, or the rivets are what we call a pillow effect. The tail section hangs over here on the wall. It's totally done. There's electric trim installed. Another tip for anyone that's ever thinking about buying an RV or buying a partially built kit, if you wonder about the quality of the workmanship, check out the wingtip attachment method. These fiberglass tips have all been fit up, and they've been fit up using number 4 flathead screws and nut plates. And you can look and see that the joint between the skin and the fiberglass is uniform, very tight, snug, good quality work. That's indicative of the whole aircraft project. So that's the story of my RV 8A kit that is for sale. The pilot and the co-pilot seats have also been fabricated and painted with Imron paint. They've been fit up with the interior fuselage parts, and the only thing left to do is to go ahead and install them with the slide pins down at the bottom. If you like, I'll also include this cat in the deal. She's nothing but trouble anyway.